Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling, the diligent rush to class, while the lazy lie on their bellies. We continue to study the law of attraction. Why do snails need the force? To create masterpieces or do difficult work that they don't want to do. I know and understand that you don't want to do anything right now. I don't want to work. I don't want to study. I want to go to the sea, play in the sand and splash around in the water. Big deal. Your laziness is nothing compared to mine. My laziness is boundless like the sky, unshakable like mountains, powerful like the ocean. It is unyielding, indestructible, invincible and unmovable. My laziness is stronger than the force itself. But I digress. So here's the thing. Being in a state of laziness is as painful and difficult as doing a job you hate. Even relaxing in a state of idleness is not relaxation, but a painful pastime. When you're on holiday, you need to do something. Go somewhere, travel, move around, play something, see and learn something new. And most importantly, you need to strive for something. Lying around and chewing aimlessly is exhausting. Take a leaf out of children's books. And what kind of work is the least tiring? Creative work. Notice that when you create something or do something that results in some kind of good, USC or benefit, you feel a sense of satisfaction. That's because the force is activated. The force is the engine of reality. It spins the film reel and moves reality. If you also create something or move things constructively, then the force connects with you. Hence, the fifth rule for attracting the force: activities must be creative, and you must be involved in them. If you're tormented by permanent, unending fatigue and laziness, engage in creating something. It does not necessarily have to be in the field of art. The main thing is that the activity should bring results. Even just cleaning the house or sweeping the yard will do. But how do you get involved if you are lazy? That's what the first and second rules we went through earlier are for. So, when you are creating something and are involved in the process, the force comes to you, picks you up, and then it becomes easy. If your work profession is routine and does not create anything, you need to look for another creative one, or you will wither away. The same applies to learning. If information or knowledge does not imply practical application, solving certain tasks or problems, or creating something new, then such information is useless and burdensome. It must be avoided and excluded from your field of attention. Or write cheat sheets if you need to pass an exam. Practical knowledge should not be learned, but rather acquired through practice, by doing practical work and solving problems. This is the only way to learn it, and no other. Moreover, solving problems is easier and simpler than filling your head with information.